Don't panic. It's organic. Everything is falling down, not just GameStop. Let's look at the SPY really quick. By the way, GameStop is at $19.39 at the moment, overnight trading hours. But SPY is also falling to Microsoft, Apple, Nvidia, Tesla, Amazon. AMC is definitely falling. They're always going to be falling. You are going to lose so much money if you buy AMC stock. Bitcoin is also falling. So everything is bearish. Don't let anyone try to paint the picture that GameStop is the only stock that's falling right now. Everything was propped up, and the bubble's probably popping as we speak. So that's pretty much what's going on, in my humble opinion at least. But how do I feel about GameStop still? Even if it is at $19.39, I still feel good about it because, as the title of the video says, diamond hands. It's a lifestyle, something I live by. I cheap out on certain things in life to buy more GameStop shares. I make sure to calculate my weekly, monthly earnings to make sure that I'm buying enough GameStop shares. I will live check to check if it comes to it, because that's kind of what I've been doing when it comes to buying GameStop shares. Hey, maybe I'm making a dumb decision or a smart decision, but only time will tell, right? But that's what's awesome about my diamond hands. I got unwavering confidence in GameStop stock because it's just a great company, and I'll go over that in a bit. But all the freaking confidence in the world, and I will continue to be patient. And that's the big thing for me. And I feel like as an investor, that's like your secret weapon, especially fundamental analysis for the company. Technicals, whatever, sure. I'm not a day trader or swing trader or minute trader, whatever, any of that crap. Nope. Don't have the time for it. I'd prefer to let my money make money while I'm doing other things actively in my life while I progress in my personal life outside of this. So, on that note, the stock chart, I went ahead and updated my daily chart. As you can see, the trend line, I have lowered it and extended it a bit more. So, we'll see what happens tomorrow on the stock market. I will be here for sure. Maybe not live, but I will be here buying shares because, if it's at this price point in the morning, I will definitely be loading up the boat. I don't know what you'll be doing, but I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy on the internet with a microphone and a PC and a camera and a sweet little beautiful kitten named Ruby and a sleepy-headed cat named Sam. And we're just doing our thing, buying some shares of GameStop. And that's what we do. That's what we've been doing for a while. Ruby just joined the family not long ago, so she's been doing it herself. So shout out to you. You're a newcomer to the game, Ruby. You started at a great price point too. Let's look at the stock chart options. So of course, for the options expiring on the 9th, which is this Friday, we have 984 calls in the money versus 13,760 puts in the money. So as you can tell, puts are up by a long shot. Calls mean green, puts mean red. You know what it is. And any of those colors, you make the money off of those. Long story short, DRS, I'm not too crazy on it. I feel like it doesn't make a significant difference in my opinion, but what do I know, right? Just a random dude on the internet. Individuals, aka us retail investors, we have 74.6 million shares of GameStop shares locked in our own names, away from the brokers, just locked in our own names. And I have about a few of them DRS myself just because I want to be a part of it, because it's part of the movement, so it's only ideal. And don't let this short-term volatility, these short-term price swings let you get fooled or scare you out of your position, because listen, GameStop has been on that turnaround, basically the whole turnaround story for GameStop. Ryan Cohen, the CEO, the one that has a $0 salary, he takes zero compensation. He buys into his own company along with the board of directors. Now, if you ask me, if a CEO or board of directors are selling their shares at different companies, what do you think in mind when what first comes in mind? You think, oh yeah, they don't believe in the company. They want to bail out. They want to cash out. They want to dip. Well, haven't seen any retail, or I haven't seen any CEOs, aka Ryan Cohen, or any of the board of directors sell any of their shares as of lately. Actually, Larry Chang bought about in the mid 20s, and look at where we're at now, 1938. So, that's just something to keep in mind, put things into perspective, because, fundamentals have been turned around when they want to tell us that we're just a brick and mortar company, we're the next Blockbuster. We also have electronic presence too, aka online. We have our own website, have the overnight shipping. You know what it is, but people don't talk about that stuff. It's crazy how bullish GameStop is. Sell PC parts, video games, controllers, fucking cards. We got a lot of stuff. And people buy stuff there. People that don't even invest into the stock shop at GameStop. It's crazy. Their presence, their brand recognition is just unreal, and you can't get away from it. People hate on it. People love on it. I love on it. And it's just crazy. And on top of that, a lot of people are invested into the company. That's essentially a gaming retailer plus a holding company. And this basically the stock for this company has short squeeze potential on top of it because of the community that supports it. All of us retail investors that are diamond handed invested into it, whether you're like me or whether you're like another GameStop investor or an ape or whatever or a swing trader for GameStop, any of those. There's a lot of GameStop support, and some of those people are phonies when it comes to the swing traders or day traders because they're in and out. But some of us are legit within the community, and we hold strong because we do believe in our investment. And, all I'm saying is that the innovative part of this company is that we are doing things differently. We're spending less money. We're closing down stores that are unnecessary because they have less foot traffic than others. And we just pretty much trimmed out all the fat and diversified everything else. Like, basically having a portfolio, for all I know. I'm not too sure what they're doing for the $4 billion in cash, but I'm excited about it. I mean, the market cap for the company is $8.99 billion. Essentially, we have half of that in cash. So just keep that in mind. Don't let these crazy price actions in the stock market fool you. It's just, everything's just bearish now. There's blood in the streets. And I'm going to buy blood in the streets. Buy when everyone is fearful. I cannot speak tonight. But sell when everyone is greedy. But I'm not selling. I'm greedy for it right now. I'm greedy when the streets are bloody. And that's just that. So, anyways, hope y'all had a fantastic, lovely weekend. Hope y'all have a better, fantastic evening this Sunday. And wherever you are, just know that you're not the only one holding GameStop shares or buying them. Buy and hodl. That's how I live. That's the motto. For me, at least. Not a financial advisor. Don't listen to me. But if you do listen to me, hear me out. Peace out, everyone.